Assistant Reggae Boys coach Merron believes that not enough rural youths are playing football, depriving them of the exposure needed to advance to national teams and even to European clubs. Gordon was speaking following the handing over of a sponsorship check by Morelands Development valued at $3.5 million for the Pat Anderson Morelands MFA Under-17 competition at the tournament launch recently.
The kids from Kingston, for example, they play more football than the rural boys and rural girls, because if the rural boys, they only play in the Dakasta Cup competitions and only the few will play with the adults in club competitions. So, this will be a very, very good thing for them, to play in the competition with the age group, play more football, and it's also preparing them to go into the Dakasta Cup competition, so this is a charge, this is a charge to the boys, to come out and give up their best, give up their endeavor best and push for international standards.
Gordon says more opportunities for young male and female players would in turn give the JFF a larger pool to select from for its various youth programs.
Also, I want other rural parishes to take on the venture of pushing things like this, and in order for us to have a better pool, to pick from in the future. Not saying we don't have a great pool now, but with more boys playing at this age, loving the game at this age, the sky is the limit for them.
The tournament will have 12 teams and will follow the league format. Right then, we take